You're so
Yummy! Yum. I want rice too. Yummy!
What's for dinner tonight? This is our dinner. So it's a stuffed bell pepper. It has like rice, cheese, and beef, ground beef, and it's Sir Will's favorite. Yeah, it's Sir Will. They address you as Sir Will, so that's gonna be your name, Sir Will. So that's Sir Will's favorite, the stuffed bell pepper. And it's actually very good. So yeah, we're gonna eat it. I love it because it's, when you taste it with the peppers, it's so yummy. And with the cheese and the ground beef and the rice, it's a complete meal. So yep, let's eat. And we'll take it over there. I love this chopping board because it's more multi-purpose. So he added some extra rice for us. And we got this kimchi. It's actually have a cute container. Like, I love it. But I don't know how it tastes. Hopefully it's good. It's made in Korea, Jongga. So it's a legit kimchi. So yeah, you see, it's made in Korea. So, and July 4 is the expiration date. So we got many months to have it. We like kimchi. And we love Korean food. So that's about it. Hey, Mahal, do you need to get, oh, this one is wet. I don't want that. I can make kimchi fried rice. And then put spam on it, like a spam or any meat or maybe a corned beef, and make it like a kimchi fried rice. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Yum yum yum. So yeah, that's our dinner. Nothing too heavy, I guess. This is heavy because it has rice, but I gotta have rice or else I'm already getting cranky. I can put it right there. So yeah, we're having dinner. We have that stuff, bell pepper, and some kimchi. It actually smells so good. So try it. See if it. What's your verdict? Is it good? Yeah. Is it good, Missy? I like it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't even eat a lot of it. I like it. It's not too strong. How was that? Try it. It's not really sweet. It's just like something that's sweet but not really sweet. But the kimchi, yeah, I like it. So yeah, this is a really good one. The kimchi. Oh my gosh, I can eat a lot of this one. Kimchi is actually good for you. It's good for your skin. So good. This one too. Kain tayo, guys. Kain muna kami, ha? Bye!